Hi, welcome my friends. How are you guys doing? With DP Kids today also I have come to show you how to do some different crafts. Now let's see what I'm going to do today. Actually what I'm going to do is a chicken that is coming out of a shell. Now usually we have done some crafts using eggshells, but what we are doing is I'm going to make a shell out of paper and then we'll show how to make a chicken that comes out of a shell. You like to know how to do it, right? Okay, so just like every day, we need a cardboard circle, some papers like different colors. I always try to teach you how to do these things with simple stuff, because if you find it hard to find these materials, then you become lazy to do these crafts. So that's why I'm telling you to use stuff that can find on day-to-day basis at home. So just like this, take this cardboard circle and fold it. Right, now the shell usually cracks, right? So this crack, we have to show this crack on this, just like this. You have to draw it like this, the cracks, and then cut off the cracks that you have drawn like this. I'm sure you guys have seen how a crack happens on an eggshell, right? Now we are trying to create the chicken that is coming out from this eggshell. These are very beautiful creations, and we will keep on coming with these kind of creations for you. Right, now we are done with the eggshell. Now the bird has not still come out. Let's see how to make the chicken. Right, now let's keep this to a side and let's take this yellow color paper. Let's draw. Now okay, what is the chicken going to look like? I'm gonna draw a chicken like this. Right, now we cut it like this. Okay, we have cut it like this around this. And after cutting, what we are going to do is we have to put small eyes, and then we have to put fins. So now, like I have taught you before, you can draw the fins like this, fold it so that you can get two fins from the same identical size, right? Okay, now we have two fins, small two fins. Now let's paste this value. Okay, we pasted it. Now we have to put two eyes also now. Right, now paste the eyes like this, small eyes. Yes, now we have to put a small beak also. Now cut a small strip like this, roll it around, cut it from this corner and this corner. It has to be small because it's a small chicken, no? Now you can see. Now okay, now when you cut this shape, we can make the chicken look like it is shouting. So right, Now let's see. Now you bend it like this, and then one side you put gum on one side. You get something like this. It looks like the chicken has opened its mouth. Yeah, can you see that, right? It looks like he's opening his mouth. Now let's see. Now even though this chicken has a shape, I want to add something else also, just to make him a little bit more beautiful. What we are gonna put is a small crest. Now usually a chicken doesn't have a crest, but just to make the chicken look a little bit different and beautiful, let's add this part also, because then it will give a little bit more color to the chicken. Now because when we add this part, it will give a different shape to the chicken also, because we are putting a part that is not there, no. So because adding this will give this a little bit more shape. Yeah, can you see that? Right, now doesn't it look nice? Yeah, so now it looks different, right? Now what we are going to do is we are gonna put the chicken inside the shell. Right, now on the back side of the chicken, put some gum, and then you put it inside the shell like this, and then you paste it like this. Right, now this is how you put a chicken inside, and doesn't it look nice? Yeah, now you also can make this. You can do it for your school, for your Montessori. You can do something different if you stay in touch with DP Kids. So for the time being, I'm going to take your leave, but I'll make sure I continue to come and teach you how to make these kind of beautiful creations. So until I see you again, please stay in touch with DP Kids. Right? So then goodbye to everyone.